Hi everyone. Are you curious about how much you can earn after mastering Power BI? Today, let's explore the earning potential for Power BI professionals in USA based on roles, experience, and factors that influence salaries. Unearth has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read, check description. Starting off with entry-level positions. Data Analyst or Business Intelligence, BI. Analyst earns $50,000 to $70,000 annually. These roles involve collecting, processing, and analyzing data, creating reports, and building dashboards using Power BI. As you gain experience, mid-level roles open up. Senior Data Analyst or BI Analyst earns $70,000 to $90,000 annually. Responsibilities include leading analysis projects, mentoring, and developing advanced dashboards. Power BI Developer earns $80,000 to $100,000 annually. They design, develop, and deploy Power BI solutions, ensuring data accuracy and performance. For experienced professionals, senior roles offer higher earnings. BI Manager or Architect earns $100,000 to $130,000 annually, overseeing BI strategies and managing teams. Data Scientist earns $90,000 to $140,000 annually, handling advanced analytics and predictive modeling. Specialized roles like Power BI Consultant can earn $90,000 to $150,000 annually, while freelance specialists charge $50 to $150 per hour. Key factors influencing earnings include location, experience, industry, certifications, and company size. Power BI skills can significantly boost your career. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.